Here's how to make rage beats for Yeat on FL Studio. Let's jump straight in. Let's start by changing our tempo up here to around 140 to 150 BPM. Yeat sometimes has faster or slower tracks, but this is the typical range he sits in. We're then going to take a minor scale. I'm going to use the D sharp, or technically E flat minor scale. We can select this by going up here, going to view, down to scale highlighting, and then selecting the minor natural mode, and then D sharp or E flat. Now we can see exactly what notes are in our scale as they're highlighted in a slightly lighter tone. The darker tones are notes that are outside of our scale, so we can't use these. I'm just going to lay down a simple bass note pattern consisting of these 3 notes here. Then we're going to turn these into power chords, which are fundamental for this sound. To create this, we would simply duplicate this note and pitch it up 5 notes in the scale. So skip the second, skip the third, skip the fourth, and the 5th note. Then we can add a really repetitive D sharp note. I've specifically chosen this note as it's the root note of the scale we're using. I've taken this pluck sound from Analog Lab, but you can use any synth sound that has a lot of high end in it, typically using a saw wave. Now that we have our chords down, we can add a bass line. This is simply going to take the root notes of each of the 3 chords. Again, for the preset, you can use any sound. I'm using this aggressive bass preset from Analog Lab. This is a great sound as it also sounds a bit like a lead as it has the high end in it. We then want some kind of lead sound to sit in the background. I'm just taking a really simple square wave, adding a bit of detune and some more voices. And then we're going to use these 2 notes, B and A sharp. On its own, this will sound super boring. But because these notes sit next to each other, they add a ton of tension, creating that dark sound in the melody. I then added the chord progression, but duplicated it and pitched it up an octave. So you can kind of see the chord progression down here and then duplicated up an octave. Here I took a pad preset and then assigned this to a mixer track where I added this gross beat gated effect. For other sounds, I took this kind of counter melody lead pattern. And I have this super dope effect I use. This is my plugin Grain X4, and inside of this I have some morph presets. Here you can see there's multiple different samplers with multiple different sounds in them. These presets modulate the morph mode using an LFO. So basically they morph and blend sounds together. If we then turn up the attack and play any note, we'll get this kind of sound. It sounds kind of weird on its own, but it's super glitchy and great for adding texture to beats. And then decide to pitch it down by 3 semitones. And I nearly forgot this bell. This literally just plays the bass note of the chords. And then for simplicity's sake, I've rendered this as one audio clip. Here's how all of these elements sound together. Now it's time for our drums. I went into my Listen Up drum kit and I took this Spins 808. Then I copied the root notes of the chords, but of course pitched down 3 semitones because we pitched the audio clip down by 3 semitones. You'll notice there's a few gaps in the 808s. That's because I added this synth bass in between. Now for the rest of the drums, I added a really simple snare pattern. Again, using sounds all from my Listen Up drum kit. I then added this open hat and this hi-hat pattern. Now, like all rage beats, we have to add a fruity soft clipper, or any soft clipper for that matter, to the master track. We can then boost the volume of all of the drum sounds to create this clipping sound, which makes beats sound super aggressive and distorted. And that is a super simple guide on how to create a Yeat beat on FL Studio. Let's hear how this sounds all together. By the way, if you want access to Grain X4, which contains over 400 presets, just like the sounds used in this video, then make sure to check out the link in the description where you can get this 70% off to only $29.